May maghahawak na, sir.
Ay, makakawak. Alam niyo nakaka-senti kasi kanina, nung nagpe-pray po kaming lahat sa company niyo, sila po ni Direk Lorena, baka ito na ang huling pagkakataon na lahat ay magkasama sa entablado, kompleto, walang absent. So, we want to make the most of it. So as you can see, naka-co-love shirt sila dahil maglalaro tayo ng game na tatawagin natin co-love it or not. Mag-quick change lang. Planning here, we are waiting for Brenda and Shuli. So, magbabanggit kami ng mga statements. Tapos, housemates, kailangan nilang i-raise ang yes kung agree kayo, co-love it, at no kung hindi kayo agree. Okay, are you ready, housemates? Go ahead, sure?
Okay, first question. Diretso ko ito, magsistay ulit ba kayo ng matagal sa bahay ni Kuya? Give it a chance, yes or no? Yes, okay.
Gusto nyo ba yun? Ulit, tulong ng bahay? Ay, nagkakata! Si Mama!
Si Mama bago isip.
Okay, kahit walang budget ng pagkain ha, yes kayong lahat ha. Okay, yes.
Okay, next! Palitan ang final duo partner nyo. Dun, dun.
Ito naman. Ulamin ang mundo ni Clarice araw-araw.
Araw-araw na.
No? Nothing lang, no.
Hirap magluto.
She admitted herself.
Siya kasi magluluto eh, kaya no.
Okay, ito last, may nakikinig na mga boses ha, gusto natin malaman. From collab fancon to collab movie or series.
Gusto mo ba yun?
I think it's a yes.
It's a yes! At ba?
Gusto ko mapapanood sila.
Yes, and with that, once again, aabangan natin sa takdang panahon kung magaganap yan. Let us give it up for our PBB Collab X Housemates! Kahit sobrang busy yung mga schedule nila, nagawa nila ng paraan to reverse for tonight. Kaya guys, mula sa aming lahat na nandito ngayon, we are very, very proud of you. At syempre, diba guys, susuportahan natin sila palagi. Always!
Yes, at syempre, hindi matutuloy ang successful fancon na ito kung hindi dahil sa supporters ninyo na tumulong sa ating online at pumuno dito sa Big Dome. Grabe, sold out. Hindi mahulugan ng karayom. Tama, di ba? Hindi mahulugan karayom ang The Big Dome. Sending love also to our team Baray, watching via I1. Kaya maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Kaya syempre gusto natin magpasalamat sa ating very, very supportive bosses. They are here tonight. Tita Cory Vidales, Direk Lauren Jogi, Miss Joy Marcelo, and Attorney Annette Bozon Valdez. Maraming salamat po. And to the whole Sparkle GMA Artist Center and Star Magic Management.
That's right, maraming salamat din sa ating guest tonight. Michelle Rodriguez, Vinnie Joanna, and Vinnie Stacy, and of course, Miss Ivana Alawi. And your partners tonight, next speech, choreographers, Coach Redder, Dardo, Dardoy, Matrix, and Ronnie, headed by Coach Minnie Purse. Maraming salamat.
At syempre, sa ating arrangers, the people behind our tracks tonight, we have DJ Kimo Savit, DJ Glenn, Chuck Wilson, Jen Loreto, Sir Rick Mercado, and Sir Ray Tandong. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. And of course, to our dear sponsors, I could not forget this. At syempre, ang team sa ito ng pagkumpay na ito, the production team staff, and Salva de Guzman, our EP, and of course, our director, Beth J.P. Sobrang daming bumubuo ang show na ito, ABS-CBN Events, headed by the Starstruck Salama, our head of ABS-CBN Music and Entertainment Events, Sir Roxy Nikita, we love you! Maraming salamat to our production team. We had our business unit head, Sir Riley Santiago, our creative head, Makoy Infante, our writers, Honor Deliso, John Rivo, and the Patch Pumulong. President who made this historical night possible. Maraming salamat po. Muli, isang taus-pusong pasasalamat sa inyo lahat na sumubaybay at bahagi ng tagumpay mula sa umpisa. Talaga, whole love namin kayo. Mga kapuso't kapalina, hanggang sa susunod nating pasasalig websa, we give you once again our really Golden X housemates together with Asian Pop Heartthrob. Let's go!
Paalam mo ba sandali? Kailan ba naging madali? Kaya kung sa akin mawala ka, walang magagawa. Uwi pangako mo, walang magbabago. Hanggang muling magkita tayo.
Pinoy tayo, kaya natin ito, sikat ang Pinoy.
Maraming salamat po. Wow. Wow.
Thank you! Maraming salamat! Tito Boy! Thank you! Thank you! Thank you, Boss Tom Ryan! Thank you, sir! To all our Capuso and Capabilia Platinum and VIP ticket holders, please stay behind for your exclusive meet and greet session. Thank you. Again, to all our Capuso and Capabilia, only platinum ticket holders, please stay behind for your exclusive